Hi guys, Laura here. Welcome to another video. Today we're playing good pizza, great pizza. Good pizza, great pizza is when you become a pizza chef because you get offered a job and you have to work and serve the nation with pizzas. Just kidding. That sounds super boring. Just you have to make pizzas, alright? Okay, let's get started. Here's the mean guy. This is our shop. It's funny, he doesn't actually speak in words. Why would they end the day with good pizza, great pizza? Guess that's just what they do. Are you trying to junk up my territory? Yes. That's a mean guy. That actually looks really nice. So 6 slices. I've never played this before, I'm just going with it. So far I'm actually doing well. Made my first pizza. Worst pizza ever. Oh my days. Can I get a pepperoni without any pepper? Oh my days, you just said can I get pepperoni without any pepperoni? Okay, weird guy. I'm just gonna do him a plain cheese, to be honest. I'm guessing some of the quotes in this game is really weird. I was gonna say we don't have any pepperoni anyway. I mean, who would say, can I have a pepperoni without any pepperoni? I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if he came here from a club and he was half drunk. Okay, so, I'm trying to remember how you cut it. Like this, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. What's that pizza? You're beautiful. Yes, I agree. Okay, I think he actually has come from a pub. Just cheese. Okay. I'm just gonna get 2 doughs ready just in case. Okay. One of the slices are a bit too thin, but okay. Is this oh my days. She's weird. But I made it. What? I've got minus £22. I've got to start again, guys. Apparently I've done bad service. Let's play again. It's called pizza. Also known as good pizza, great pizza. Close shop. Boom. Alright, I'm starting again. Cheese, please. Weird, but okay. Okay, it's a really hot day today, guys, so if you hear me, like, just don't worry. But if you see me in my video sweating, it's just because it's a really hot day. I'm going to cry a little. This pizza looks so good. I'm here for a pizza. Cheese pizza it is then. I've got to be quick on this one, so I get money. I've got £9 already, wow. That's enough to pay off my bills though. Just kidding, I don't have any bills. Oh, this pizza gave me that alligator jiggling fever. I'm hoping that's a good thing. I would not like a pepperoni pizza. Okay. This pizza was taken by a giant fiber breathing turtle. I would save it. I'm hoping that's a good thing. I think that is. Oh, we can get new toppings. right? I swear I hate that guy who speaks too much. It's hard, okay? Okay, this is the last pizza I'm making and then I have to finish. Wow, this is a real pizza. Real pizza dicky, oh my days. Whatever. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.